get-go, I'm impressed. The brightness is amazing. It's super bright. You can obviously control it however bright you want it to be. You want it to be a little less. You know, that's basically the lowest setting right there. And you take it all the way up, and this thing is bright as can be. We'll leave it in that setting, and then we'll run you through the colors right now. This is your regular RGB. We're gonna go through the colors. That's your red, your green, your blue, and of course all the variations in between. From there on, obviously you can always go back to your regular white, or you can actually control the temperature of the light itself. You can make it more hot, more cool, according to your liking. But this is where it gets interesting. You have the modes, right? I'll run you through the modes. We'll go through mode 1. And this is where things start to get fun. Press it again. Different variation of the same mode. Third time gives you a different variation of that dancing lights. It switches between colors. I'm honestly quite impressed with the fact that it has this many modes off of just one button. First thing that comes to mind with all these bright colors, you know, the variation of the almost like a candy cane. And I'm thinking automatically Christmas. I don't know how often I'll be using this specific mode, but it's nice to have. Let's press a fourth time that same button, and it's got again a different variation, and yet another one. That's a fifth time right there, same color with dancing lights. Move on to the next button, and this is where things really get fancy from here on out. This is actually sound activated right now. This is actually reacting to my voice. It's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty sensitive. Hey! Woo! Woo! Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I like this one. I like that little splatter all the way to the middle. What else we got? What else we got? The last mode, that is your alternating between everything. Wow, I gotta say, so far I'm really impressed about all the different modes. Definitely feel like it's a good investment. If you're a DJ, I'm excited to get it out there, test it out in the real field. We'll see what else I can find out about it. The controller, I gotta say, the controller itself feels kind of flimsy, pretty reactive, but I gotta say, I was bummed out at the fact that it did not come with batteries. It just kind of feels a little cheap, you know? For the price that I paid, I was expecting a little something more. For what it's worth, I think it'll get the job done. Anyways, that is my honest review of the LED corner floor light. Anyways, thanks for watching this honest review. Let me know what you think in the comments section yourself. Are you interested in picking this light up? Let me know what you think of it, what you like, what you didn't like. Drop me a comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.